how to add a logo to your Wix profile. So from the main page of Wix, we want to focus on the search bar right here. We want to click on it and search for logo. You will see a bunch of different options like logo maker and logo settings. For this, we will need to focus on logo settings. So just click on it and it will take us to this business info profile page. So all we have to do if you want to upload your logo right here is click on upload image. It will take us to another screen, and from here we have to select upload media, and we can choose whether we want to upload media from our computer or import from Google Photos, for example, or all of these other platforms. For the sake of this tutorial, I am going to upload it from the computer. So here I'm just going to go to my desktop and I'm going to upload my own logo. And it's going to take a little bit of time to upload, but basically once it is uploaded like so, you can select choose file, and this will open this and use it as your logo on Wix. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.